Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button down below. Hit the red subscribe button, pretty please. Anyways, today's video is going to be make a paperclip bracelet with me or something like a DIY or something like that. It might be DIY paperclip bracelet. So what you're going to need is some paper clips. And these are from the Dollar Tree. If you're wondering where I got these are from the Dollar Tree. And then we're just going to open them. And then we're going to pour them out. However many you can get out. That's probably more than enough. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab paper clips and then you're going to take them and thread them through together. So you're going to kind of bend it back. And you're just going to do this until you get it to the size that you want. Then you're going to take this one and you're going to kind of open it a little bit and thread it through. And you're just going to do that so on until you get it to where you want it and how you want it to look. And keep doing it. And as you can see, I'm kind of doing a little bit of a pattern. So you're just threading it through so it's green, like the pinkish color, until you get enough to fit on your wrist. Then it is gray, then purple, gray. Then I'm using this purple color. Subscribe it if you made it this far into the video and you are enjoying it. If you're enjoying it so far, give it a nice good thumbs up. And then we're gonna do the green again. And you can also make a necklace if you do this a lot longer chain. Or okay, you can kind of measure. Oops, don't drop it like I did. Measure and you can be like, oh, okay, that's long enough. Okay, let's say that's good for my wrist. That's about how long I want it. And then you're just gonna thread it through together and you're gonna go like that, and then you can obviously you can adjust the size, but this is what my paperclip bracelet looks like so far. Okay, one second. It is focusing currently. Just I'm trying to get it focused. Maybe if I zoom out just a tad bit. Okay, that's focused on those. But then you can take it off as well, as you can see. And then I'm going to try to show you guys on this wrist what it looks like better. One second. There you guys go, and that's what it looks like. Hopefully you like this DIY slash kind of like how-to thing. I'm not exactly sure what the video is going to be called, but probably like a DIY bracelet with paper clips in it. Isn't it super cute? So anyways, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.